Hello everybody, Nolan of Black Diamond Services. Just out here cleaning some light colored Berber. As you can see, it is turning out well. There's some areas in the room next to this one that needed some extreme help. There's delamination and such at the door. They're doing replacements in the house. Some hard pea spots in it, and they wanted me to just go ahead and treat everything and get it clean for them because they're not ready to switch out these carpets yet. But I'm going to be happy to show them how well this is actually shaping up, so they're not going to feel so bad about leaving them instead of changing them out. There are some discolorations and some hard wear spots from previous owners were wheelchair bound and had mechanical wear chairs that they used throughout the house, which caused a lot of hard wear areas. And there's, I'm not doing the hallway, but some crazy grease spots. So in this case, because they're updating the house, I did make a suggestion for replacement. In most cases, when somebody buys a home, that's usually the first thing they want to do, unless the carpet is actually reasonably new. This isn't the case, but we do have the cleaning agents, in order to get this nice and clean for them with no problems. But I just wanted to show everybody a new video. Haven't done one in about a week and a half or so. Just wanted to keep these rolling. And I'm doing double passes over this because I want to get this not just clean, but looking its best, so when they walk in here and see the difference, they'll be extremely happy and feel good about moving in here for the time being until they can go to the next step of replacing the carpet. There are some discolorations, like I said, they're wheelchair bound, and some issues that happened in here causing discoloration. But otherwise, it is going to be super clean in here. I'm going to go back over everything and make sure of it. Like I said, I'm doing double cleaning more or less over this. I'm doing a full up and down pass. And then this is actually my second full up and down pass back over it. And now, or what I'm doing right now, is the dry passes over it. You can see it coming through the little sight glass on the top of the head there. Everything that's coming through is the color of the cleaner, so I know that I've gotten all the dirt out, which is a nice feature to have. Therefore, if something is still coming out, looks a little dark when I hit a certain area, I know that I probably need to do at least one more pass over it just to be safe. But currently I'm getting nothing but the white from the cleaning agents I'm using back out, which is great. And those tells me I'm done with this area and just need to do the dry strokes over it and then move to the next area. But I just wanted to do a quick video. You can see the area I haven't touched yet. In comparison to that area, looks a lot brighter. And this was the side of a bed on each side over there. And it looks really even, which is nice. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like, leave a comment, tell me what you want to see. I'll try and do more videos. Again, I appreciate it if you watched this far. Have a fantastic day.